Set sail with us into the future.
The Philippine Obstetrical and Gynecological Society enthusiastically awaits the 2025 Annual Convention and 79th Anniversary Celebration. Anchored on the theme, Riding the Waves of Change, Navigating the Evolving Needs of Women, we journey together with the nation's leading minds in women's health.
Together, we will chart new horizons, exploring genomics, digital health, reproductive justice, and research integrity.
Navigate a world-class program with sessions led by international experts, local thought leaders, and enriched by our subspecialty societies.
Ikaw ang sagot. Ang puso mo'y apoy, hindi mapapaso. Ang isip mo'y bagwis.
Beyond the sessions, this celebration reflects our shared journey of growth, marking decades of service to Filipino women and welcoming the next generation of POGS members.
Connect, collaborate, celebrate, enjoy the spirit of camaraderie at our Sports Fest, explore the engaging exhibit space, and experience our lively social events.
As we celebrate 79 years of commitment to Filipino women, we invite you to journey forward with us.
Mundo'y nililiglig. Kaya mo, hawak mo, babae ka. Ikaw ang sagot, babae ka. Araw at buwan, babae ka. Hindi mapapantayan sa puso mo, sa isip mo, babae ka. Tagumpay mo.
Join us this November 9 to 12 at the Novotel Araneta, Gateway Cineplex, and the New Frontier Theater. Together, let us ride the waves of change.
Babae ka, hindi matitinag. Babae ka, mundo'y nililiglig. Kaya mo, hawak mo, babae ka. Ikaw ang sagot.
Sama-sama tayo sa alon ng pagbabago.